Hi everyone. I thought I'd do a little walkthrough of the interface so that we can get familiar with what we're looking at and how things are laid out. So I'm going to start by this upper section up here, and this is where you will find your course name. Make sure you're in the right place. Now this may not be your course, but I'm just trying to show you how the interface is laid out and how you can navigate. We go to this next little section over here, and this is a listing of all the courses that you are registered in. So if you click on this little icon, you can navigate between your courses easily. This next icon, this envelope, is a message alert. So if you receive within the course site an email or a text message, a little red dot will appear here to let you know that someone has reached out to you. If you click on it, it will take you right to the message. This next little icon is a subscription alert, and it relates to the discussion boards within the course. If you subscribe to the discussions, you will see a little red dot appear there when someone has made a post, and that alerts you that there has been some recent activity. If you click on that icon, it will take you right to the discussion. This last one is an update alert. This notifies you when the instructor has made an announcement to the class, and it's really important to pay attention to those things. If you click on it, you will see that it will take you to the most recent announcement. Okay? And once you do click on it, the red little dot disappears. Where do you find the announcements in your course site? Right here. This is important to attend to because your professor may be giving you updates, important information, or even tips to help you be successful.